If you want to turn off SafeSearch on Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can change the setting in just a few seconds. This is helpful if SafeSearch is filtering out results you want to see and you want to manage your Google search preferences directly from Chrome. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can access the search settings. Now look to the bottom right corner of the page and click on Settings. A small menu will appear and from there, click Search Settings. This will open the Google Search Settings page where you can control several search preferences. On this page, look for the Safe Search option. Safe Search is the setting that helps filter explicit or sensitive results from your search results. If you want to turn it off, click on the Safe Search and switch it to Off. Once you do that, Google will save the change automatically, so there is no extra save button you need to press. After that, you can go back and search normally, and your results will no longer be filtered by SafeSearch in the same way. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can follow the same steps and switch it back anytime. So just to recap, open Chrome, go to google.com, open Settings from the bottom right, click Search Settings, find SafeSearch, and turn it off. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.